Much for joining me on my channel today. We're going to be continuing my series called Three Tubes. In the series, I'm just using a phthalo blue, deep yellow, and deep magenta to create all the colors in these pieces. They are pearl cell pours. Unfortunately, I forgot to turn the camera on, so I have already laid down my pearl mix as a base coat, and I have begun adding colors. I have a deep magenta, a deep turquoise, beautiful, beautiful deep vibrant orange, and I am beginning now to add some yellow. The last color I'll use is green. Let's watch this piece develop.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all my slip-ups and mistakes. And I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep. But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom?
Oh my love, you're such a fragile thing, I know. And with the winter comes the ice, the snow, but I'm here to hold. And oh my love, don't worry about the cold just yet. The trees haven't started to shed. Just feel the summer sun as it warms our bed. I'm lying, and I'm lying when I say I'm not but I'm trying to shelter you from pain. And oh my love, the seasons come and they go, but I hope you know that I won't.
I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah, I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. Cause I just wanna see the light. I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try.
I want to thank you for joining me for this series. I've had a lot of fun doing it. I hope you like the pieces. I'm still going to bring you many more pearl cell pours and other techniques. Please don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.